Hey, what's up beautiful people? Today we are going to learn about CAD. Basically, what do we understand by CAD? It is computer aided design and it is the use of computer programs to create 2 or 3-dimensional graphical representations of physical objects. The software is widely used by engineers, designers and architects. It is used to create and design a variety of new products and parts in wide the range of industries. It enables users to test and learn more about existing products and parts. In product and industrial design, CAD is used mainly for the creation of detailed 3D solid or surface model or 2D vector based on drawing or physical component. CAD allows designer to model the entire object much faster and without the needed physically render the item. In engineering, both a form and function can be modeled, and any designer flaws can be rectified before the creation of physical prototype. In addition, CAD allows for use of all the standard symbols required for technical drawings. CAD software is now incorporated into almost every educational program, for example, engineering, architecture, and designing. CAD is being widely used everywhere. For example, in jewelry, auto parts, buildings, cars, space shuttles, planes, clothes, interior design, and a lot more. The benefits of CAD include lower product development costs, increased productivity, improved product quality, and faster time to market. CAD software offers greater accuracy, so errors are reduced. There are various types of CAD software available in the market today, which are specialized for specific applications. Like Revit is for civil department, CATIA Pro, AutoCAD Fences, etc. Other departments like mechanical, aeronautical, and automobile. But the basic one is AutoCAD, which was introduced by Autodesk. To learn 3D designing, you must learn to designing, and AutoCAD is the best platform you can get in the market right now. With CAD, your imagination is not bounded up to the sky. It is beyond the limit of sky. So give you life to your imagination with the computer-aided designing. Please subscribe to my channel to explore CAD from basics. Thanks for watching.